Thank you very much. I will just like to say because
Yeah, she's a well-known reporter.
it is a very special moment for her. I'm not taking credit for it. It's a law of nature. But thank you. It was a very stressful show because it was outdoors. I was just praying that it doesn't rain, and it didn't rain. It was perfect weather. And thank you, Bombay, for coming. And I would just like to say that working for Lagrange has always been a homecoming because it's the brand that discovered me as a designer. So I've always been very special when I come back here, so I come back home. And it's the first time that I've actually worked with Serena. And I look forward to many, many more times. And thank you, Mami, it's very important. And thank you everybody for being so nice. Thank you.
Boom, boom.
Would you like to say a few words? You look gorgeous.
Whatever.
Well, like Purnima said, there's not one, there's two. And it's a very, very iconic moment. And who better than to do it for one of my most favorite brands, Lakme. And of course, the maestro himself, Sabyasachi. We really not had the opportunity to do a film together. But I think this moment, thanks to Purnima and Lakme, has been so special that now there's proof that even the little one will always remember this moment. It's engraved in history. It's for me, it's actually the most, I'm actually quite emotional because this is the first time that actually we've taken the ramp to. So it's a moment that I want everyone to cherish. It's an honor to actually walk for Sabyasachi because I think, I wouldn't like to say that he's a designer, I'd like to call him an artist. He's truly, he makes paintings and he makes his people who wear his outfits look like a painting, like a Renaissance painting. And I feel that, I feel like I truly am kind of, I don't know, I feel honored to be actually even in this outfit right now. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We will now open the floor for questions.
Like you said that you would like to work with her in future in films. So would you like to share something more?
We were almost supposed to go to the film, and there was another film that didn't happen. And I was very superstition like I was very bad at these solutions. And what else can I say? I'm very honored because I think it's quite a valuable information, and now even more so. And this is going to be a very, very special moment for me. So thank you.
So grand, so such a massive scale, so many models for the landscape. So can you please tell us more about it?
But it had to be grand. It's a grand finale after all. The pressure of showing okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, I think that it was definitely. Okay, there's no mic. जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा that of course it is very very special and I think it speaks a lot for Lakme to have us for the brand. I've been a brand ambassador, but I think the spirit of the show, what the brand stands for, I think a true Indian independent working woman. I think that's what we kind of represent today in a very very grand way. And I'm seeing the reaction, the euphoria. I think yes, I mean it is amazing.
Okay, next question, please. Yes.
But that's what somebody asked me, but I said, Mom, these and pregnant women also walk. I don't know, I can fly as well, so it's not normal to do that. For me, it's absolutely normal. I don't know why everyone keeps asking.
The question can stand between the 1920s and 1970s in spiritual already. because I want to do something that is very dedicated and the inspiration of two of our favorite musicians, Saskia Khan and Amanda Shindley. And we did a lot of clothes, a lot of people that I want to make very sexy clothes. So,
this color really matches the
I
eye.
would call it pressure.
We have shot angles, like it's always iconic the dark, yeah.
But yet at the same time, it was still a very successful moment. And a lot of people ask me what your inspiration is, but I think it's about doing the right clothes at the right time, which are beautifully done. And that is the most important inspiration for us. Thank you.
Royal by first time marriage. I'm your best with your responsibility right now. Just royally, so it's a choice. Would you be royalty or in palace?
Well, I feel I'm in a palace right now. I'm definitely in this outfit. And of course, I think all Sabyasachi's clothes are like that. I think my mother-in-law also is a huge admirer of Sabyasachi. I think, like I said, his craftsmanship is just the master stroke that he adds. So, of course, and like I said, it's a pleasure and an honor to be, standing here today.
Our setup was very subtle and beautiful. Can you tell us about the conceptualization of this particular event?
So I think when Sabya and I talked about Illuminate, one of the few things we discussed was actually the Symphony Orchestra of India. And having them in the backdrop was really the icing on the cake for us. We were very, very honored to have them. I think a live performance of music is incredibly uplifting, and it illuminated the performance in general. And then, of course, this is trademark Sabyasachi, so I think the chandeliers came in with his touch.
हमने कई लोगों से बात की और आपके कोई एक्टर्स लोग उसके बाद तो मैंने कहा कि यू विल बी सेटिंग एन एग्जांपल फॉर द वर्किंग वुमेन फॉर टुडेज वॉक रैंक आपको क्या कहना है कि सभी महिलाएं लड़कियों के लिए आप एक एग्जांपल सेट करिए
मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि till I die I will act. Acting is my passion, my work is my passion, and as long as I'm doing what I love, I think that's the joy is shown on my face. So I'm going to continue to do it. I don't need to say any more than the moon always do. Sorry, the moon can't.